Okay, so I'm going to do something a little weird. I don't know if you guys know that I like to, be creative and make my own things. Not really invent, but kind of. So, one of my dogs kind of drinks funny, and I think they would benefit from, just a waterfall. So I was looking at dog fountains, but I could only find like really cat-sized fountains on Amazon. And then I looked at the dog fountains, and they're $100. I do not have $100. Now I can't afford the dogs. The reason I don't have $100 is because of the dogs. All my money goes into the dogs. So I came up with this stupid idea that I'm going to show you. Alright, so what I have here is a 5-gallon. I used to have a betta fish in here. I cleaned the crap out of this twice. So what I'm thinking, and I'm going to take you along for this crazy MacGyver ride. So I'm thinking this would be perfect for the reservoir. It still holds water. I'm going to put a submersible pump right in here, or here. We'll see. I'm going to attach tubing. I'm going to have a plastic tub. Hopefully that'll sit about to this height, minimum. I'm okay with it going lower. And then I'm going to poke some holes in some areas so it can escape and go back down to the reservoir. Because I don't want said dog to be able to access a high amount of water so they don't cough. So I'm also going to have it fountaining in. I've decided if I want it this way, this way, this way, and how I'm going to do that part. And then I'm hoping that that'll be perfect for drinking, and only a shallow amount of water will be sitting in the actual container part for the other guys. I haven't decided if I want to make it filterable, but I will probably put a sponge around the submersible pump to kind of keep the dirt from being resurfaced, because dogs are dirty. So here's the base, and I'm going to show you what I want to do with the pump. Alright, so I got my pump, I got my tubing, maybe if this fits, and I got my container. So what I'm going to do, I picked a container that would have the lip area sit over top of these pieces in my 5-gallon. So sits nice and snug. Then I'm going to cut pieces so it will drain in and kind of create this whole drain and be scooped up and then spit back out by the pump situation. I have no holes yet. I will make holes, and then I have a pump. So if you don't know what a pump is, this will usually go either in here or on top of here, and then this pump will suck up water and send it through the hose, which will then come out through the hose's end like so. So I want to see if this is going to work. Alright, so I went and got some water, and I'm going to sit here for a second, as well as the container. Let's set up the pump. It just suctions to the bottom here. I'm going to dump in some water because you can't run the pumps dry. It's just enough. So see how that's working. So you see how that's spraying water upwards. I'm going to hopefully not die, and I'm going to stick a hose in. Like so. Now, I do think we need a little less pressure, so I'm going to pull the knob the opposite direction on the twisty piece. I'm going to pull it the opposite direction on the pump and kind of make it spit out a little less. Alright, let's try this again. sit. There we go. And an example of what I want it to do is I want it to just kind of go like this, but with container to drain, so I don't get too much water in it per se. And that way I would be able to have the water go down and up, and it'd be a constant cycle. There'd be enough water to drink here, the dog could drink here. I also kind of want to see what will happen. I think the container can hold. See, that'd be the maximum I'd allow the container to hold at once. So maybe I'd cut a slit there and there. So let's turn that off and cut where we would like the water to drain on the container. That's about as high as I'd be okay with it going. I think I might actually like it a little less. So let's do some cuts. Alright, so you see there's that hole right there, and we're going to give this another shot. It should just pour out now. I hope this works, because this would be really cool to show off. There we go. We did it. So it's never going to go beyond that point here. It's just going to pour out. Okay, you can pour back out. So we've got a limit on how deep the water can be, and we've got a stream, like so. I will likely be zip tying the spout right here and cutting this a little shorter. Alright, so here we go. Pretty much done. Now, if you want to be more creative than me and maybe add PVC pipe, I might do that. I might do that in the future, but right now I'm not. So far, this entire thing cost me $14 to make, and that was with getting the pump off of Amazon for $12. I'm going to go get some more water, and I'm going to show you guys this fountain. So here it is up close. I'm going to try my best. Yes, my desk is a mess. So what I have here is the hose. It's kind of going in here. There's the hole I made. So it kind of drains back right into here. There's the pump with the hose. And this whole thing is, I believe, 20 liters or 18 something liters. It's almost 20 liters. I am going to fill it up way higher. And this will be going in the living room for the dogs.